Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a crucial component for DJI plant protection UAVs, specifically the T40 and T20P models. This is the ESC module, part number 563.01. When maintaining these vital agricultural drones, having reliable replacement parts is absolutely essential, and this module appears to fit that need perfectly. It's described as being 100% brand new and constructed from high-quality material, which is exactly what you want for a part that controls the motors on a drone carrying potentially heavy loads. The emphasis on durability and practicality in its use suggests it's built to withstand the demanding environment these drones operate in. The description also highlights its design, calling it delicate and exquisite, and stating that it highly matches the original equipment. This isn't just about aesthetics. It means the module is engineered to integrate seamlessly with the drone's existing systems, ensuring proper function and fit. A solid and durable build is promised, contributing to a long service life, which is a significant factor for operators who rely on their drones for their livelihood. Perhaps one of the most important aspects for anyone needing to replace a part is the ease of installation. This ESC module is noted as being easy to install and reliable to use. For drone operators, minimizing downtime is key, so a part that can be quickly and reliably swapped out is invaluable. It's not just a simple component. It's a critical piece that ensures the drone's motors function correctly, allowing for precise flight and effective plant protection operations. The combination of high-quality materials, durable construction, precise matching to the original equipment, and straightforward installation makes this ESC module a practical and reliable choice for maintaining DJI T40 and T20P agricultural drones. It provides the necessary functionality and longevity expected from a genuine or high-quality replacement part, ensuring the drone remains operational and efficient in the field. This module represents a dependable solution for keeping these advanced agricultural tools in top working condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.